Your mind believes the painting before you do. That is the first illusion. Van Dyck never asked the king to prove his authority. He arranged light, posture, distance, and the impossible calm of a restless horse until certainty appeared inevitable. Nothing forces you to believe this ruler is powerful. The painting simply removes every reason to doubt him. Long before you notice the brushstrokes, the image has already decided what you feel. Your mind believes the painting before you do.